Hello, welcome to Inside EV. Before starting our video, make sure you to subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon for instant notifications. Now let's get started. In the last video we have discussed the history of electric vehicles. If anyone have missed that video, please go and watch it. The link is given in the description. Today let us discuss the effects of electric vehicles on different fields. There are impacts of electric vehicles on power grid, environment, and economy. Now let us discuss the impact of electric vehicles on power grid. Long back some scientists called electric vehicle as long pipe tail. As the electric vehicles does not emit any pollutants such as hydrocarbons, so they do not pollute the environment. But they increase the power demand for charging the electric vehicles, which uses the burning of fossil fuels to generate the electric power. So burning of fossil fuels directly pollutes the environment. But later it is proved wrong by the integration of renewable energy sources for power generation. Electric vehicles are considered to be high loads. And if many number of electric vehicles are connected for charging at same time, then it affects the power distribution system. The power grid can be able to withstand that peak demand of power, but the power distribution system is the most affected one. Because the power distribution systems are designed many years back on number of household bases. The most affected by penetration of electric vehicle for charging are distribution transformers, cables. So the electric vehicles can create voltage instability, increased peak demand of power, overloading of transformers. Level 1 charger with 110 volts outlet does not affect the power system much, but the problem increases if the voltage increases. As nowadays many manufacturers are desired to provide customers with fast charging vehicles, it needs more voltage outlet. So in order to eliminate this, coordinated charging should be implemented. Coordinated charging means charging of electric vehicles at a particular timings. That is, the charging of electric vehicles must be done during low demand of power, mainly midnight. As per data, in Delhi the peak load demand occurs at 3:45 p.m. and the power demand is raised, as in 2017 it was 6021 megawatts, 2018 it was 6442 megawatts, and it is estimated to meet 8196 megawatts in 2025. In Hyderabad, it is observed that the peak demand occurs at 3 p.m. In 2018 the peak demand of power was 2950 megawatts and it is estimated to meet 3628.5 megawatts in 2025. So coordinated charging must be implemented to electric vehicles for charging in low peak demand. And there is one more aspect, that the electric vehicles can provide power for the power grid in case of peak demand. And that concept is known as vehicle to grid, in which the power supply is bidirectional. In this method the batteries can be in discharging mode, and if the peak load is low, and they can again be charged. There is one more concept known as virtual power plant. But with this process there is a chance of decrease in the lifetime of batteries. In the peak demand of power, all the electric vehicles at charging station can act as one battery and provide the power to the distribution system. But however it is still in testing mode and lots of controllers needed to control this method. And one more beneficial aspect is that the power can be generated from renewable energy sources. And if the coordinated charging, vehicle to grid, virtual power plant concepts increases, it will be better to the power grids to withstand the charging of electric vehicles. Now the impacts of electric vehicles on environment. As before discussed, if the power plants are integrated properly with renewable energy sources, the pollution from power plants can be reduced. And the recycling of batteries raises serious concern. But there are few organizations which can recycle the lithium-ion batteries fully. So the pollution can be controlled by the electric vehicles. Impacts on economy. The owner has to put high initial amount on the electric vehicle. But the operational cost of the electric vehicle is less than the conventional internal combustion engine. Because the efficiency of the electric vehicle is more than the internal combustion engine vehicle. And if the vehicle to grid concept comes into reality, then the owner can get money by giving power to the grid. So these are the effects of electric vehicles. Next video will be so interesting, don't miss it. Please let us know your opinion in the comment section. Your likes and comments helps me to recover the problems you are facing with videos. Thanks for watching the video till end, and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to Inside EV.